Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will introduce my view. Attention to Human Resource Department Maulana Enterprises. Dear Sir or Madam, I want to apply for the position of machine engineer advertised on Tempo December 21, 2021. I have 2 year experience as mechanical engineer with CV Nugroho Joyo. I have more experience of automotive engineer and my 3D drawing skill are very good. And I have an excellent record as a really productive, disciplined, and responsible employee. I would like to propose this new opportunity and to have an interview with you at your convenience. Your organization has an available record innovation and excellent reputation as an employer, making the position even more attractive. And I'm sure that my skill will be on of your next company ascent. I enclose my CV for your inspection and look forward to hearing from you soon. I am available for interview at your convenience. Sincerely yours, Dimas Pribadi Nugroho, location Surabaya, telepon 8564607185, email dimaspribadinn@gmail.com. Personal profile: I am an expert in operating tolling mechanism and I have 2 years of experience in CV Nugroho Joyo. And my 3D drawing skills are very good and I have an excellent record as a reliable, productive employee. I am interested in applying for a job at Maulana Enterprise because this company has a good reputation in the field of machinery. My core skill: mechanical engineers, automotive engineers, 3D drawing, Microsoft Office, Word, and Excel. Their summary: 2018 and 2019 in CV Nugroho Joyo. Education and qualification: Teknik Mesin SMK Negeri 3 Surabaya, S1 Teknik Mesin Universitas 17 Agustus 1945. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.